Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to silence unknown callers on iPhone. So actually it is very easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open settings on our phone, and here we need to scroll down to the bottom until we'll find apps. So simply click on the apps. And here in the apps we need to find phone, so just scroll down until you will find letter P, or you can also just type in the search bar phone, but I already spotted it, so here it is, click on it. And now we need to scroll down just a little bit until we'll find the screen unknown callers section, and now for me it is set to never, so all unsaved numbers will ring. So if someone calls me from unsaved number, if I don't have this number in my contacts, this it will ring, and basically I will hear the call. But if I want to silence the unknown callers, all I have to do is to simply click here and choose silence. So all calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail, and basically you will need to you can find them in the recent calls, but you will never hear them anymore. And basically that is it. That is how you can silence unknown callers on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.